Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will discuss the chapter number 4 of Election Act 2017, and its title is Election Expense and Statement of Assets and Liabilities, section 132 to 138. Question number first. What do election expense of candidate include under section 132? Right option B. Expense incurred by any person or political party on the behalf of candidate. Question 2. From when do election expenses start being counted under section 132? Right option is B. From the date of filing nomination paper. Question 3. Until when are election expenses counted under section 135? Right option B. Until the final consolidation result is issued under section 95. Question number 4. What is deemed as candidate's election expense under section 132? Right option is B. Expenses incurred by any person on the behalf of candidate. Question number 5. What is the maximum election expense limit for a Senate seat under section 132? Right option हमारे पास B है 1.5 million rupees. B option is the right option. Question 6. What is the maximum election expense limit for a National Assembly seat under section 132/3? Right option हमारे पास है C 10 million rupees. Question number 7 है what is the maximum election expense limit for the provincial assembly seat under section 132? Right option हमारे पास B है 4 million rupees. Question number 8. How must a candidate account for election expense under section 132/4 into 4? तो right option हमारे पास है B. Through bills, receipts, documents except from amount less than 1000 rupees. Question 9 हमारे पास है what happens if election expense are disputed under section 132 into 5? तो right option हमारे पास है B. The commission may conduct an inquiry. Question number 10 है what is the outcome if the election expense are incurred without a candidate permission? Right option हमारे पास B है they are not deemed as a candidate expenses. Question number 11 हमारे पास है when must a candidate open or dedicate a bank account for election expenses? B option is right option before the scrutiny of nomination paper. Question 12. What must a candidate maintain for election expense under section 133? Right option हमारे पास A are registered of recipients, receipts and expenditures. Question 13 हमारे पास है can a candidate choose a different account for election expense? Right option B. No, only the exclusive or dedicated account can be used. Question 14 हमारे पास है what is the maximum amount for the election expense bank account under section 133? Right option हमारे पास B है the limit of election expenses under section 132. What must a candidate submit if using an existing bank account for election expenses? तो right option हमारे पास B है statement of account at the time of filling nomination paper. Question 16 है can non-election related transaction be made through the dedicated election account? Right option B. No, from nomination filling to return submissions. Question number 17 हमारे पास है within how many days must a contesting candidate other than the returning candidate submit their election expenses return? Right option B है 30 days. Question 18. On which form must be the return of election expenses be submitted under section 134? Right option हमारे पास C है from C. Question number 19 है to whom must the return of election expenses be submitted? तो right option B है returning officer. Question number हमारे पास 20 है for how long are the election expense return open for the public inspection under section 135? तो right option हमारे पास है B 1 year.